This is a working SaaS dashboard with authentication, UI, and backend logic. It was generated using AI-assisted tools with minimal manual coding. The system includes front-end, API routes, and deployment running on a live URL. Objective: build and deploy a SaaS application using AI-assisted development. The workflow includes project setup, code generation, iteration, debugging, and deployment using modern tools without writing full code manually. Tools used: Cursor generates and edits code using AI assistance. Node.js runs the backend and scripts locally. Next.js provides a full-stack framework and routing. Tailwind CSS handles fast UI styling. Vercel builds and deploys the app to production instantly. Starting from an empty folder, the goal is to go from zero to a deployed SaaS app. Initialize project. npx create next app at latest AI SaaS app. Select defaults. This creates a base Next.js app with routing, config, and dependencies pre-configured. In Cursor, navigate and open project. CD AI SaaS app. This loads the workspace where AI can generate and modify code directly inside the project files. Use exact prompt in Cursor. Build a SaaS dashboard using shadcn/UI, Lucide icons, authentication, and a dark mode first layout with sidebar navigation and responsive design. This defines UI, structure, and behavior. Install dependencies and run. npm install. npm run dev. Open http://localhost 3000 to verify base app before AI modifications. Cursor generates components, layout, sidebar navigation, and responsive dashboard UI. Files are created under /app and /components following Next.js structure. If needed, npm install Tailwind posts auto prefixer. npx tailwind init p. Configure content paths to enable styling across components. Install UI system. npx shadcn UI at latest init. Add components like buttons, cards, and layouts. AI integrates these into dashboard. Install auth. npm install nextauth. AI generates login page, session handling, and protected routes for dashboard access. Create env.local. Nextauth_secret equals your_secret. Nextauth_rel equals http://localhost 3000. Restart server to apply environment variables. Install Prisma. npm install Prisma at prisma/client. npx Prisma init. AI defines user schema and data models. Run database migration. npx Prisma migrate dev. Name init. Tables are created for users and app data. AI generates API endpoints under /app/API for authentication, data fetch, and updates connected to database. An error appears. Hydration mismatch. Copy error and prompt in Cursor. Fix this error. AI analyzes and updates code. Refresh resolves issue instantly. Start app again. npm run dev. Verify dashboard loads, navigation works, and login flow is functional. Prompt. Add analytics page with charts. AI updates multiple files, adds routes, and integrates UI components automatically. Add user settings and notifications via prompt. AI modifies front-end and back-end consistently without manual wiring. Prepare for production. npm run build. Check for errors before deployment. Initialize repository. Git init, git add, git commit, and initial commit. Create repo and push. Git remote, add origin repo URL. Git push origin main. Install and login. npm install Vercel. Vercel login. Deploy app. Vercel. Follow prompts. Build and deployment complete automatically. Vercel generates a live production URL. Open it and verify SaaS app is accessible globally. Add environment variables in Vercel dashboard and redeploy if needed for authentication or database connections. The entire workflow, from setup to deployment, completes within minutes. The timer confirms total build time is under 10 minutes. AI-generated apps may require manual fixes for performance, security, and edge cases before production use. Ideal for MVPs, internal tools, and rapid prototyping where speed and iteration matter more than perfect architecture. AI shifts development from writing code to defining intent, reviewing outputs, and iterating rapidly. A SaaS application can be generated, debugged, and deployed using AI-assisted workflows with minimal manual coding, enabling faster product development cycles.